Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about how does Google Cloud support hybrid cloud deployments and connectivity to on-premise infrastructure. Google Cloud provides various services and features to support hybrid cloud deployments and connectivity to on-premise infrastructures. Here are some key ways in which Google Cloud facilitates this series. Anthos is Google Cloud's modern application management platform. It enables you to build, deploy, and manage applications across both Google Cloud and on-premise environments. Anthos allows you to maintain a consistent development and operations experience across hybrid and multi-cloud environments. Google Kubernetes engine GKE on-prem. GKE on-prem is the service that enables you to run Google Kubernetes engine cluster on your own on-premise infrastructure. It provides a consistent experience for making Kubernetes workloads across both on-premise and cloud environments, allowing you to leverage the scalability and agility of Google Kubernetes engine while keeping some workloads in your own data centers. Dedicated interconnect and partner interconnected. Google Cloud offers dedicated interconnected and partner interconnected services to establish direct and private network connection between your own premise infrastructure and Google Cloud. These services provide high bandwidth, low latency connections, enabling secure and reliable communication between your own premise environment and Google Cloud resources. VPN connectivity. Google Cloud supports the virtual private network VPN connectivity, allowing you to establish encrypted connection between your own premises network and Google Cloud. VPN provides a secure and flexible option for connecting your own premises infrastructure to Google Cloud resources. Cloud Interconnect provide multiple connectivity options to connect your own premises data centers or to Google Cloud. It offers options such as dedicated interconnected partner, interconnected and carrier pairing, allowing you to choose the most suitable connection and method based on your requirements. VPC network pairing. VPC network pairing allows you to establish private network connectivity between virtual private clouds, VPCs in Google Cloud and your own premises network. This enables you to extend your network and applications seamlessly across on-premises and Google Cloud environment.